Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm hitting y'all with a recipe, but first I want to tell you guys thank you so freaking much. Like, thank you for watching, thank you for liking, subscribing, commenting. Thank you for just the messages, the love, the support, the questions, and just the interaction in general. I really appreciate it. It feels awesome just to be able to be an outlet for you guys to just, ask questions about weight loss, recipes, anything really, to be honest. So with that being said, I have a lot of things in store for y'all, really special, but it's a secret. What? You said what? Huh? You said what the secret is? Oh, I don't know. I don't think y'all ready for the secret. I don't think I really want to know what the secret is. I don't know, okay? But if you want me to spill that tea, comment down below secret. Say secret. What's the secret is? Tell us the secret. Comment down below. So today we're making Chipotle turkey tacos plus guacamole and a pineapple chipotle sauce on the side. It's gonna be so good. Okay, first of all, disclaimer, this is healthy-ish. Okay, I'm not gonna say that this is like a super, super healthy meal, but it's a healthier way to go about it. You can make it healthier. There's things that you can switch out or put in to make it even healthier, but I think this is a nice base to have, just to spice up your everyday taco. Also, this hair is the same hair from my last video, so if you didn't check that out, I'll need you to go click on it, okay? All right? Alright, so let's get to the video. Alright, so here I am at the grocery store. We're in the midst of a pandemic, so you gotta make sure your buggy's nice and sanitized. Also, for this trip, I was getting groceries more than just for my tacos because I hadn't stocked up since Laura. So here's some of my essentials along with getting the turkey taco ingredients. Also, shout out to my cameraman. I greatly appreciate him for filming this video with me today because I needed it. So get at him. I dropped the avocado, put it back. So here's our ingredients for the turkey tacos. It's a very simple dish. You don't really need much. Also, it's really just quick and easy to make. So first things first, we're going to cook our ground meat in the skillet on medium heat. We're going to let it cook throughout the whole time, nice and slow, so we can make our sides and sauces. Alright, first up is our pineapple chipotle sauce. So you're going to need a can of chipotle peppers in adabu sauce, adabu sauce, I think I said that right. And we're going to take a couple spoonfuls out of it. We're going to make this sauce in our magic bullet. If you don't have a magic bullet, please get you one. It's about $30. I use it for my smoothies, for making my sauces. Literally anything you need to blend up, it is the perfect size, perfect amount, and it all happens in like about a minute. So please invest in you one if you don't have one already. Then afterwards, you're going to add in a couple chunks of pineapples, about 3-4 chunks or so. Then you're going to take a little bit of mayo, not too much mayo. Mayo isn't healthy. I know. But just a little bit of mayo just to top it off. Then you're going to add about a half a teaspoon of lime juice and about a couple pinches of salt. And boom, you're done. Oh, look at that, nice and blending. Yes, you better blend that sauce. Yes, please invest. After it's finished and blended, we're going to put that in the refrigerator, and then we're going to take the rest of our chipotle peppers and blend them up for later. Warning, this sauce is very hot, okay? Chipotle is pretty spicy, so if you're not a spicy person, I wouldn't recommend. It was getting a little hot from the Chipotle, so I needed to take a quick water break. And then we're on to the guacamole. Yes, I love guacamole. It's so easy to make. It's a nice healthy fat. Avocado is a nice healthy fat. It's really healthy for you. So, and it goes good with so much stuff. So what you need is about 2 avocados here, and you cut them up. The best way to cut up an avocado is to cut down the half like so, and then scoop it out so you don't have to skin it. Also, with your avocados, please make sure that they're soft and ripe. If they're not soft enough, it is not going to work, okay? Please make sure your avocados are nice, soft, and ripe. I was struggling with the seed. You can scoop the seed out with the spoon, but I just took it out with my fingers because I was struggling. After you put your avocados in a bowl, now you mash them. Mash them up. Again, the softer the avocado, the better, the easier the mash. This avocado was kind of soft, but it needed one more day for sure, and it'd been nice and soft. So just take a spoon or something and mash them on up. Once it's mashed, you add in your pico de gallo. Now the pico de gallo has the onion, the tomato, and the cilantro already chopped up, so it's half less the work. Then you squeeze in some lime juice. Add in some salt. Add in some pepper. Now, I like to add a little bit of jalapeno juice from, if you have a jar of jalapenos, but I didn't have it at the time. Just to give it a nice little spice. And you're going to mix it on up. Yes. Green. Yum. I promise y'all, it's so good. Alright, now by the time you prepare both of these sauces, your meat should be nice and cooked. Make sure you just go through occasionally while making your sauces and just go through and just stir it around. And so I'm here just making sure that it's all cooked evenly. And now we're going to add our taco seasoning. This time I was on a time crunch, so I used taco seasoning. Any other time I would use more produce because it's high in sodium. But for this time, we're just going to use some taco seasoning. So we're going to spread that around. Also, make sure you add water while you're doing this process so your meat won't be too dry or anything. And also to make a little sauce with it. After you add the seasonings, we're going to take that chipotle that we grounded up earlier and we're going to add that to our tacos. Now, after you add this chipotle in, you do not need any more seasonings or anything. It's very spicy, it's very potent, and it's really going to give the flavor to your tacos. Now, you can add the rest of the can, or you can only add a few scoops. It's at your discretion because it is a little bit spicy. So if spicy is not your thing, I wouldn't advise using the rest of the can. And then after that, that's pretty much it. Like, this is so simple. It's really a simple meal. It doesn't take that long. Here you see me lining up my shells. If you want a healthier option for this, you can use the guacamole and the pineapple chipotle sauce. Take a nice spring mix salad, put it on top with your pico, maybe crunch up a little taco shell, and boom, you have a nice, delicious taco salad. My cameraman was getting on me about my spacings. But yeah, that'll make a nice taco salad. I wanted to make a salad on the side with this, but I didn't have the time. So I'll make a fiesta salad another time. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Now you make your taco, get your ground meat, put your pico de gallo on there. Can't forget the pico. Add in your guacamole. Then top it off with the pineapple chipotle sauce, and that's it. That's all you need, guys. That's it. And your taco is done. I'm a soft shell taco person, so I'll eat those over hard shell. But yeah, that's it. I was struggling, so I kind of had to make it into kind of a burrito because I put way too much meat. But that's it, y'all. That's all you gotta do. It was so good too, y'all. It was so good and spicy. Do the same thing with your hard shell taco, top it on up, and that's it. Disclaimer, these weren't my tacos. These were the cameraman's tacos, and he wanted cheese, okay? He demanded for cheese. Personally, I wouldn't put cheese on there. That'd be doing too much. But he wanted cheese, so here's the final result. And there you have it, Chipotle turkey tacos. Try this recipe out for yourself, and please let me know what you think. See you in my next one.